Dear students, this video is about different classes of fire. Why we should know different classes of fire? Fire is a dangerous and destructive one which destroys the life of people and destroys properties. So, by understanding different types of fire and how to extinguish them, we can prevent accidents and minimize the risk associated with the fire. So, what are the different kinds of fire? Class A fire is the one that catches over solid combustible substances such as wood, paper, fabric, etc. So, for such kind of fire, water can be used to extinguish it, or fire blankets, sand can be used to extinguish it. So, for a certain kind of fire, we have certain kind of extinguisher. Extinguisher cannot be used or should not be used for all kinds of fire. Class B fire is the one that catches over oils, liquid combustible substance, oil, alcohol, kerosene, diesel, petrol, etc. So, for such kind of fire, we should not use water as an extinguisher. It is not safe to use water. So, for that, a foam extinguisher or dry chemical or fire extinguisher containing carbon dioxide can be used. Class C fire also the same kind of fire extinguisher can be used. So, it is a fire that catches over gases. Okay, so for that also we shouldn't use water. We can use the fire extinguisher containing carbon dioxide or dry chemical. Class D fire is a fire that catches over flammable metals such as magnesium, sodium, titanium. So these metals may catch fire. Especially sodium catches fire when it is exposed out. So usually it is stored inside kerosene. So for such cases also water is not advisable. So dry powder extinguisher containing sodium chloride or graphite powder or sand can be used. Next is the class E. Class E fire that catches over electrical equipment. So electrical fire, so it can occur when electrical appliances is overheated, when the electrical appliances is malfunctioning, or when we are using damaged electrical component, etc. So it's a fire that catches over the electrical appliances. To extinguish electrical fire, we shouldn't use water at all, because water conducts current. So, wet chemical extinguisher or foam like which contains foam like substances, even the carbon dioxide fire extinguisher or dry chemical fire extinguisher can be used. We should not use water for such a kind of fire that catches over the electrical equipment. So finally, the class K fire, so which catches, it's kind of fire that is happening in the kitchens normally. So when we are cooking, the oil may catch fire. Okay, the fire, when the fire occurs in the kitchen, we should not use water at all. So even for that, we should use some dry chemicals that is available in the kitchen. So when a pan containing oil is overheated and catches fire, never use water to put off that fire. Just close the pan with a lid. Before that, turn off the stove. So this will save a major fire accident. And baking soda can also be used to put off the fire in the kitchen.